Hi everyone, welcome back to the Essential Calculus Problem series. In this series, we are going to through the integrals of all powers of sine from sin x all the way up to sine to the power of 5x. In today's video, we are going to focus on the integral of sine to the power of 4x. And just like with the sine, we will also be covering cosine x, tangent x, cotangent x, and etc. from the first power of all the way up to the fifth power. This first part of the series will include around 30 videos, but it's only the beginning. Later on, the channel will also feature detailed calculus topic explanations and solutions to midterms and exam problems from universities all around the world. And we are taking the integral of sine to the 4th power of x. Integral sine to the 4th power of x dx. To take the integral of sine to the 4th power of x dx, the first step is to write it as the square of sine square of x. We write it as sine square of x square dx. Here our goal is to perform reduction, meaning we want to lower the power of sine x. We can integrate sine x easily, but for something like sine square of x, we can do it directly. To handle this, we use the half angle formula for sine square of x in terms of cosine 2x to reduce the power by half. We know that cosine 2x cosine 2x is equal to cosine square of x minus sine square of x. If we write here 1 minus sine square of x instead of cosine square of x, 1 minus sine square of x, then the equation becomes as cosine 2x will be equal to 1 minus 2 times sine square of x. And take this one to here, cosine 2x minus 1 equals to minus 2 times sine square of x, and divide by minus 2 both sides, then sine square of x becomes 1 minus cosine 2x over 2. Then now at the integral, we will write what we found here. Instead of sine square x, we will write 1 minus cosine 2x over 2. And the integral will become integral of 1 minus cosine 2x over 2 square dx. Now we will take this to the outside, 1 minus cosine 2x square over 4. This will be written as 1 minus 4 dx, and 1 over 4 times cosine square of 2x minus 2 times cosine 2x plus 1 dx. Now we will separate this integral to three different integrals through like this: 1 over 4 integral of cosine square of 2x dx minus 2 times 1 over 4 equals the 1 over 2 times integral of cosine 2x dx plus 1 over 4 times 1 over 4 integral of 1 dx. This part is easy, and this one is also easy, but we have the power 2 here, so we should reduce this power again. And let's write the integral here as integral of cosine square of 2x dx. I will solve this integral here. Again, remember cosine 2x was equal to cosine square of x minus sine square of x. I need to find cosine square of x. So I will write here 1 minus cosine square of x. Then cosine 2x will be equal to cosine square of x minus 1 plus cosine square of x. This means 2 cosine square of x minus 1. And take this one here. Cosine 2x plus 1 equals to 2 times cosine square of x. Then divide both sides by 2. Then cosine square of x will be equal to 1 plus cosine 2x over 2. But we need to find cosine square of 2x. So according to this equation, cosine square of 2x will be equal to 1 plus cosine 4x over 2. Then we will write this part into the integral. And let's take this. Now we will write here 1 plus cosine 4x over 2. Then the integral becomes 1 over 4. Integral of 1 over 2. This 1 over 2 will come to here. 1 plus cosine 4x times dx minus 1 over 2 integral of cosine 2x dx plus 1 over 4 cosine dx. Oh no, 1 over 4 dx. Okay. We don't need to write 1 here, Okay, integral becomes 1 over 8. 1 over 2 times 1 over 4 is 1 over 8. And this part will be 1 dx plus 1 over 8 integral of cosine 4x 4x dx minus integral of 1 over 2 times cosine 2x dx plus 1 over 4 integral of dx. Okay, we will find integral of cosine 2x and integral of cosine 4x. Actually, they are really easy, but I will show you. Integral of cosine 2x dx. You can just say 1 over 2 times sine 2x for this integral, but I will show you by using the substitution. Here, the variable is 2x, so we will say that 2x will be equal to u. Then differentiate both sides. 2 times dx will be equal to du. This means dx is 1 over 2 du. Then for this integral, we will say dx will be equal to 1 over 2 du, and for 2x we will say u. Then the integral becomes integral of cosine u times 1 over 2 du, and take 1 over 2 outside. The integral becomes 1 over 2 cosine u du. Integral of cosine u is sine u. Then the integral is 1 over 2 times sine of u, and since u is 2x, the integral becomes 1 over 2 times sine of 2x. In the same way, integral of cosine 4x dx will be 1 over 4 sine 4x again. So let's write the answer here. Integral of 1 over 8 times 1 dx is 1 over 8 times x, and 1 over 8 times integral of cosine 4x is 1 over 4 times 1 over 4 times sine of 4x plus, not plus, and minus 1 over 2 times integral of cosine 2x is 1 over 2 times sine of 2x, and integral of 1 over 4 dx is 1 over 4 times x. So 1 over 8, 1 over 4, 1 over 8 plus 1 over 4 times x plus 1 over 4, 1 over 1 over 32 times sine of 4x minus 1 over 4 times sine of 2x, 3 over 8 times x plus 1 over 32 times sine of 4x minus 1 over 4 times sine of 2x. And for the integral we will use the constant c here. Integral is this. Also, I want you to keep this in mind. The logic we use to solve the integrals is completely the same as for the cosine integrals. In later videos, when we solve the integral of cosine to the power of 4x, you see that we follow exactly the same step as we did here for sine to the power of x. While studying calculus, noticing these kinds of connections is very important for your development, and instead of just memorizing individual cases here, try to recognize similar patterns in other problems as well. Okay, see you soon.